Today, I only demand for a piece of peace. And I ensure you that I will give you a great Pakistan, developing Pakistan, flourishing Pakistan, progressive Pakistan, strong Pakistan, secure Pakistan, and an exemplary Pakistan. But in our country, it is flying in our dreams and have been created a dilemma. Uncertainty, insecurity, instability, inequality, dishonesty, disintegrity, and suppressibility have damaged our positivity, ability, creativity, majority, productivity, and sigma of thoughts. Mr. President, are you ready to give me peace and enable me to give you a great Pakistan where, if I am going to school and then terrorists come and open uncountable fires at me and I am died, just like happened at Army Public School, Peshawar, where if I am going to mosque to pray and then a suicider comes and attacks and my parents receive my dead body, just like happening in all over the mosque in Pakistan, where if I'm serving for a few pennies in a factory to support my parents and again I'm born and died without any reason, just for the sake of bhatta, and my history ends. And last but not the least, when if I make my country a nuclear state, being an engineer and scientist, I am being rewarded with detention and kept behind the bars, just like happened with Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Mr. President, would you please give me peace to get great Pakistan?